students, in the previous videos we have learned the concept of acids and bases, right? I request you to watch those videos first before you start watching this video. Once you know what is an acid and what is a base, the next question is that how to identify whether something is acidic or basic, right? So if I give you a substance X, how do you know whether that is acid or base, right? The very simple way to do that is to take help of the indicators. Now what are indicators? Indicators are your natural or chemical substances that indicates whether something is acidic or basic by undergoing color change. Alright, let me give an example. So if you take a litmus paper, you must have seen that, right? It's very common. If you take a litmus paper, if you take a blue litmus paper and if you put it in acidic condition, the blue litmus paper will turn into red. Similarly, if you take a red litmus paper and put it in basic condition, this will turn into blue. So what is happening? Basically they are undergoing color change. Alright. There are many other, for example, China rose is one example, red cabbage is another example. These are all indicators. They indicate whether something is acidic or basic by undergoing color change. Okay. Now as you have noticed, these are all natural indicators. Natural indicators in the sense that they are available at nature. Now what scientists have done, they have prepared some chemical indicators in the laboratories for practical purposes, and two of them very common, very popular are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Alright, methyl orange, as you can see in the name only, originally it's orange, but in acidic condition it turns into red, and in basic condition it turns into yellow. So what is happening? Again, color change. Alright. Similarly, phenolphthalein also undergo color change, and I am leaving this one up to you to just try to find out the color change for phenolphthalein for acidic and basic conditions. So these are two examples of chemical indicators, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Very important for examination point of view. Next up, we have one more category of indicators, and that is called your olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. Now, olfactory is a term that is related to smell. So, they don't undergo color change, rather they undergo change in smell. Very common example is onion. In acidic condition and in basic condition, they will have different smells, right? Similarly, we have clove, vanilla. These are all examples of olfactory indicators. They indicate whether something is acidic or basic by undergoing change in smell, but not in color, right? To sum up this entire class, we have learned about indicators, types of indicators, nature and chemical, examples of natural indicators, examples of chemical indicators, and what are olfactory indicators along with their examples, right? So these are very important points from examination point of view. Please go to the textbook and try to revise all these concepts. In the next video, we are going to learn about more properties of acids and